2023, the Water Resources Department and the Public Works Department went through a major structural change as the two departments merged into one combined Public Works Department. The Public Works Department, led by Public Works Director Kevin Cook, now consists of 219 employees and 14 divisions. The total budget for the Public Works Department is $96,231,504. The Public Works Department comprises three branches that report to the Public Works Director: the Engineering Branch, the Utility Branch, and the Operations Branch. Additionally, there's one Senior Administrative Assistant under the Public Works Director who is responsible for upper-level administrative duties and receiving and distributing calls, helping citizens get to the correct division for their concerns. The combining of these two departments allows for better service to our customers, as we now have the ability to cross-train employees and can more easily diagnose and solve customer issues across our 14 divisions.
The Engineering Branch, led by the City Engineer Ashley Smith, consists of 9 full-time employees. The Engineering Branch manages the Public Works capital improvement projects from planning, design, permitting, bidding, and construction activities in partnership with our continued contract consultants. Engineering is currently overseeing 112 projects with a total budget of $53,748,225. The Engineering Branch capital improvement projects cover infrastructure needs related to water production, water reclamation, piping infrastructure, storm sewer, road replacement, and any other infrastructure needs related to public works. Engineering also reviews site plans and other permits with respect to public works functions. The Engineering Branch maintains maps of city infrastructure and holds historical records. The Engineering Branch includes CAD drafters, engineers, an asset manager, a program manager, and the city surveyor.
Water production reports directly to the Public Works Director and consists of 24 employees that manage our drinking water. Our drinking water utility has 3 well fields containing a total of 92 wells. 2 of the well fields are in the city of Titusville and draw from a surficial aquifer that is directly recharged by precipitation and surface water in Titusville and parts of Brevard County. The 3rd well field draws from a deep aquifer that is recharged from hundreds of miles away. When drawn from the wells, all of our water arrives naturally purified by the biochemical purification processes of soil systems and aquifers. Our water contains a lot of calcium hardness, so we soften and filter all of our well water at the Morning Dove water treatment plant before we pump it into the water mains. We also add fluoride to the water for dental health, and we disinfect the water with chloramine so it stays pure all the way through the system. We distribute the drinking water to our customers with a network of water mains and tanks. There are over 22,400 utility accounts connected to and utilizing our water.
The Utility Branch, led by the Utility Director Andy Janser, consists of 41 employees and 3 divisions: water reclamation, electronic services, and laboratory services. Any water that goes down the drain becomes sanitary sewage and is collected by the city's sanitary sewer system. There are over 19,000 utility accounts across the city utilizing the sanitary sewer system. This system includes a vast network of gravity sewers, lift stations, and force mains that deliver the sewage to the Osprey and Blue Heron water reclamation facilities. The water reclamation facilities are giant concrete tanks full of microbes that purify and filter the wastewater using the same natural biochemical processes that occur in natural systems such as wetlands and soil layers. But our facilities supercharge the process mainly by adding a lot of oxygen, so we can treat 6.75 million gallons of water in one day and confirm its purity with laboratory tests as it leaves the reclamation facilities. The Blue Heron facility has a manufactured wetlands treatment process where the treated effluent is further polished with natural treatment systems. Both facilities add chloramine to the final effluent to make sure that the water is sterilized before it is reused. Water reclamation pumps some of the purified effluents to a special water distribution system for watering lawns. This is called a reclaimed or reuse water system, and over 18,000 utility accounts utilize the reclaimed water system. Applied to the lawns of Titusville, the reclaimed water receives further polishing from the vegetation and soil systems, and then eventually combines with the rainwater, percolates through the soil, and ultimately recharges the surficial aquifer.
Electronic Services manages equipment at hundreds of locations separated by many miles. Our DEP licensed operators need to monitor and control all of this equipment. To do so, our Electronic Services Division designs, installs, and manages a vast array of control systems comprised of telemetry, Ethernet, wide area networks, programmable logic controllers, variable frequency drives, control panels, and instrumentation. Maintenance includes over 500 control panels and telemetry communications, transmitters, and towers. We also program and install the software, database, and cybersecurity applications that keep our systems reliable and safe from intrusion. However, our biggest threat is lightning. When a thunderstorm rolls through Titusville, you can bet that a public works crew is fixing the damage. Due to the need for rapid results to make important public health decisions, Public Works maintains an analytical laboratory that is accredited through the National Environmental Laboratory Accreditation Program, licensed by the Florida Department of Health. The Department of Health license ensures strict quality assurance protocol and allows our laboratory results to be included in our permit monitoring submittals to all state and federal regulatory agencies. Laboratory services staff specializes in microbiology, wet chemistry, organics, inorganics, and metals testing. Our specialized laboratory is structured only for in-house samples.
The Operations Branch, led by the Operations Director, Sandy Reller, consists of 141 employees and 8 divisions: administration, street maintenance, field operations, solid waste, recycling, facilities maintenance, fleet management, and stormwater management. The Administration Division, led by our Operations Administrator, is responsible for a multitude of administrative duties, including answering calls and questions from citizens, receiving and paying bills, and obtaining quotes from vendors. The administrative assistants are at the forefront of our department and are usually the person citizens interact with on a day-to-day basis to help solve any issues that may arise. Our team of administrative assistants answers approximately 2,750 calls from citizens each month. The Administration Division generates over 8,000 work orders each year, including both scheduled maintenance and responses to citizen concerns and requests. The training coordinator provides one-on-one training with new and experienced employees across many of our divisions on equipment operation, training for commercial driver's licenses, how to inspect their vehicles prior to operating them, and more.
Street maintenance is responsible for maintenance and repairs to all city-maintained paved and unpaved roads and streets. The total length of these city-maintained public streets is over 200 miles. Road maintenance is provided through the grading of city's dirt roads, repairing potholes within 72 hours of receiving complaints, and repairs to curbs and gutters. Maintenance also includes sidewalks, bike paths, street signs, road striping, median beautification, weed control, and maintenance of other rights-of-ways within Titusville's jurisdiction. Last year, street maintenance completed over 4,200 feet of sidewalk repairs and completed 1,328 pothole repairs. In total, street maintenance completed over 1,100 work orders in fiscal year 2022. Street maintenance employees have received certifications in temporary traffic control methods, proper street signage, and proper installation of pavement markings. Field operations is responsible for the operation and maintenance of the field components for the drinking water, wastewater, and reclaimed water systems. These field components include 363 miles of water main, 2,240 fire hydrants, 4,016 sewer manholes, 101 city-owned lift stations, and 293 miles of gravity sewer and force main pipes. Because quality is our primary focus, field operations responsibilities also include field sampling, backflow prevention, and cross-connection control. Field operations provides around-the-clock emergency service to our customers and have completed over 3,900 work orders in fiscal year 2022.
The Solid Waste and Recycling divisions are responsible for residential weekly garbage and containerized yard waste pickup, every other week recycling pickup, and bulk pickup when the service is requested. Bulk pickup requests are required for large yard waste piles and large items such as furniture and appliances that cannot fit in the garbage carts. Solid Waste also provides commercial dumpster pickup for over 900 dumpsters throughout the city. Commercial customers can request to have their dumpsters picked up from 1 to 6 times a week depending on their needs. Last year, Solid Waste employees removed 24,714 tons of residential waste and 14,742 tons of commercial waste. Solid Waste provides maintenance and repairs to the garbage and recycling carts and dumpsters at no charge to residents. Solid Waste employees completed over 6,000 work orders in fiscal year 2022. Solid Waste also provides disabled and elderly services for residents that are unable to roll their carts to the curb. Facilities maintenance is responsible for the repairs and daily maintenance of 11 city-owned buildings and all city facilities, including plumbing, electrical, and carpentry needs. Facilities maintenance maintains and repairs 43 traffic signals and the pedestrian crossing signals throughout Titusville. Facilities is also responsible for maintenance of the Whiteway lights along US 1, which includes 270 streetlights and 650 fixtures. Facilities maintenance completed over 900 work orders in fiscal year 2022. Fleet management provides preventive maintenance and repairs to over 500 city-owned vehicles and equipment for all departments in the city of Titusville. Fleet management staff hold multiple automotive service excellence and emergency vehicle technician certifications. Fleet employees also maintain the fuel service that supplies most city vehicles. Fleet management completed over 3,200 repair work orders for a total repair cost of $1,484,027 in fiscal year 2022.
The Stormwater Division maintains and repairs all publicly owned open drainage, closed drainage, and retention pond systems within the City of Titusville's jurisdiction. This infrastructure includes 120 miles of storm pipes, 30 miles of storm ditches, and 8,000 stormwater structures. Stormwater employees are responsible for repairing and maintaining public ditches, inlets, stormwater structures, and storm pipes. Stormwater employees follow a maintenance schedule for this infrastructure, such as ditch mowing and inlet cleaning schedules, and also respond to citizen concerns. Stormwater employees completed over 150 work orders in fiscal year 2022. Stormwater employees are trained and have received certification on stormwater operation and stormwater erosion and sediment control inspections. Employees are also certified in temporary traffic control methods. The Stormwater Division is responsible for cleaning the baffle boxes along the Indian River, along with implementing projects to reduce flooding issues throughout the city and to improve the quality of stormwater discharges into the Indian River Lagoon and St. Johns River. In order to comply with the Indian River Lagoon Basin Management Action Plan and to help improve the water quality of the Indian River Lagoon, 21 water quality projects have already been completed with 7 more currently in progress. The Public Works Department is now the largest department in the city. Our team of dedicated employees is working hard both in the field and behind the scenes to make sure the city's operations and utilities are up and running as smoothly and efficiently as possible. We hope this helped to break down all of the many responsibilities of the Public Works Department. And if you see one of those employees working out in the city, make sure to give them a thanks for all they do.